out here weekly and work with our residents and other therapists. I facilitate individual sessions as well as help facilitate specialty groups on Tuesdays and Wednesdays. We find the modality really helpful as an adjunct to the work that we do in the office in traditional talk therapy. It's an opportunity for our girls to try out new ways of being, to learn first of all about how they apply pressure in relationship, how they come across, because horses are really emotional creatures. Their language is intuitive and emotional, and so if a resident comes out and is full of anxiety or conflict coming out of a difficult family session, that energy will radiate to the horse, and the horses are prey animals, and and we're predators historically, and so if we're radiating that energy, we don't feel safe to them, and they'll give immediate feedback and try to pull away. It'll be difficult to form a relationship. But if we come in inviting relationship, creating a place of safety, if we're regulated and grounded emotionally, horses are social animals. They want to be in a herd and want to be connected and feel safe. And so if you provide that invitation in your energy and how you apply pressure as you enter a round pen or even a stall, they will be drawn to that. And so it's a laboratory out here where our girls get instant feedback on the way they're coming across emotionally. They have the opportunity to make changes in the way they're coming across emotionally. Horses are honest and really immediate in their feedbacks, and they will shift accordingly. And that's very empowering, I think, for the girls to feel that shift even within one session. And they also learn an assertiveness progression, how to be leaders within a relationship, how to apply pressure, what to do if a horse chooses to resist or ignore them, what to do, how to reward if a horse chooses to cooperate with them, how to basically assert themselves using a directed but a calm energy. So it's a great place to practice DBT skills, to try on relational skills that often the girls are learning with their therapists in groups and individual therapy back at Solstice. And our model is different than a lot of other residential treatment communities' model because we use something called relationship logic, which is basically the centerpiece of the work. It focuses on the relationship between the horse and the human. That is the crucible of healing and change. So we're not using the horse as objects to facilitate an obstacle course or an experience where the girls learn something and take it away. The horses provide the experience, and the relationship dance between the horse and the human, often in a round pen, using natural horsemanship principles, are really where therapeutic change happens, and so the horse is, and the relationship with the horse is very much central to that. So it can help residents with a variety of things, whether they're coming in struggling with anxiety and avoidance, whether their energy is really low because of depression, whether they've had a history of trauma and get dysregulated really easily, if they are stuck in a cycle of conflict with their parents or with adults in their lives. This is a great intervention for them to shift old patterns of relating and develop new ones, and then practice those until they become effective and second nature.